2. Reproduction in animals. Hello buddies. The role of reproduction is to provide the continued existence of a species. It is the process by which animals duplicate themselves. Unlike most other organ systems, the reproductive systems of higher animals have not generally become more complex than those of lower forms. Life would not exist on Earth if animals did not reproduce to make their offspring. A species which cannot produce enough offspring will disappear forever from the face of the earth. It will become extinct. This has happened many times in the past. The best known example of animals which have become extinct is the dinosaurs. In this lesson, you will learn about reproduction in animals.
2. Reproduction in animals. All living things reproduce to continue their life on earth. Have you seen a cute little chicks coming out of eggs? If you sow a seed, it grows into a tiny plant in few days. Animals reproduce in many different ways. Some animals give birth to live young ones. Some produce eggs. The process of reproducing their own kind is called reproduction. Have you seen a bitch giving birth to tiny little puppies? Yes. You know why birds build nests? To lay eggs. Does a caterpillar look like a butterfly? No. But from the butterfly's eggs, the young ones called caterpillars hatch out. Let us learn about all these examples. Animals that give birth to young ones. Animals that give birth to young ones and suckle them are called viviparous animals or mammals. The young ones of animals like cats, dogs, horses, lions, cows, rabbits develop inside the mother's body. The mother feeds their babies with milk till they can find food for themselves. Human beings are also mammals. Viviparous animals. How do you tell which animal is a mammal and which is not? Blue whale, snake mammals, elephant. We are able to tell by looking for common features of mammals. They are warm-blooded animals. Their body temperature remains constant. Mammals take care of their young ones and feed their babies with their own milk. The young ones of mammals are usually born alive. They have hair on their bodies which keep them warm. Animals that lay eggs.
Some animals lay eggs from which their young ones hatch out. These animals are called oviparous or egg-laying animals.
Some of the oviparous animals are birds, insects, frogs, fishes, reptiles, etc. Birds. Birds such as crow, parrot, hen, duck lay eggs in nests. The eggs have hard and brittle shells. Activity. Observe the nest on a tree. Why the birds build nests and why they sit on their eggs. The parent birds keep the eggs warm by sitting on them. When the young one has developed fully in the egg, the shell cracks and baby bird comes out. Parent bird then feed and protect till they can fly out in search of food for themselves. Activity. Break up the hen's egg and examine the parts in it. Structure of an egg. Eggs are usually oval and round and have different shapes and sizes. Most eggs are made of hard protective outer shell. This protects the growing parts inside. Within the shell, there is wet thick liquid part called albumen, which has a yellow part in the center called yolk. The growing baby bird of the embryo uses the yolk as its food. Ostrich egg is the biggest egg. The embryo develops into a baby only if the egg is kept warm. This is why birds sit on their eggs for several days before they hatch. Fishes. A fish lays eggs in water. The eggs of a fish are called sperm. Frogs. Frogs also lay eggs in water. A frog's egg hatches into a tadpole and it grows into an adult frog. Insects. All insects develop from eggs. They pass through many stages in their life cycle before they develop into adults. The process of changing from one stage to another is called molting. During a molt, the insects shed their old skin and a new stage comes out. Let us see the life cycle of a butterfly.
The mother butterfly lays eggs on the leaves of a plant. After a few days, these eggs hatch into larvae. These larvae look like worms and are called caterpillars.
The caterpillar feeds on leaves and grows fast. After some time, it stops eating and makes a covering around itself called pupa. The pupa then bursts after some time and an adult butterfly comes out. Life cycle of a cockroach and grasshopper. The eggs of these insects hatch into nymphs which look like their parents but are smaller and without wings. These nymphs feed themselves and molt many times to become adults. The babies of the insects are not looked after by the parents. Let's revise the important points. 1. Reproduction is a process by which living beings produce their own kind. 2. The growing baby bird uses yolk as its food. 3. Insects like butterfly passes through 4 stages in its life cycle: eggs, larva, pupa, and adult.